Corey, Ohio State just won the Big Ten tournament.
I'm really excited, but I just heard Charles Barkley say pretty much the stupidest thing I've ever heard him say about college basketball, and it's pretty evident at this point he does not know anything about college basketball.
Well, what did he say?
You're about to find out.
But they're about.
Anytime you say no disrespect,
no disrespect. Yeah.
Some good
some little disrespect. Now here comes the disrespect. The Big Ten is overrated. Because they got a bunch of good teams, but to win a national championship, like I said about the Big East a couple years ago, you got to have a great player. Now Michigan got great players. Michigan got great players.
You said that twice.
I'm sorry, Michigan and
Michigan State.
Michigan State has great players. I'm missing Indiana, and that's it. The rest of them just good teams.
There's a better conference.
No,
give me a better conference.
Big
then.
East.
Easy, Rex. It's between me.
Actually, to believe it or not, the Mountain West is better.
You should have said, what about Ohio
The
State?
Mountain West is better. And the power conference.